Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix apps not opening on iPhone after iOS 17 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1, update your iOS version. Firstly, tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Many features. Scroll up. Tap on General. Tap on Software update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is check the app updates. Firstly, tap on App Store. You can see appears on screen. Tap on profile icon and on the top right corner, check the app updates. If updates are available, update your apps and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is reset network setting. Firstly, tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Many features. Scroll up. Tap on General. Scroll up. Tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset Setting. Tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on Reset network settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact with support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix apps not opening on iPhone after iOS 17 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.